Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.
For today's video is about Vulturine Guineafowl. The Vulturine Guineafowl, Acrylium vulturinum, is the largest extant species of guineafowl. Systematically, it is only distantly related to other guineafowl genera. Its closest living relative, the white-breasted guineafowl, age-laced melagrides, inhabit primary forests in Central Africa. It is a member of the bird family Numedidae, and is the only member of the genus Acrylium. It is a resident breeder in northeast Africa, from southern Ethiopia through Kenya, and just into northern Tanzania. Vulturine Guineafowl near the large 61 to 71 centimeters, 24 to 28 in bird with a round body and small head. It has a longer wings, neck, legs and tail than other guineafowl. The adult has a bare blue face and black neck, and although all other guineafowl have unfeathered heads, this species looks particularly like a vulture because of the long bare neck and head. The slim neck projects from a cape of long, glossy, blue and white hackles. The breast is cobalt blue, and the rest of the body plumage is black, finely spangled with white. The wings are short and rounded, and the tail is longer than others in the family Numedidae. The sexes are similar, although the female is usually slightly smaller than the male and with smaller tarsal spurs. Young birds are mainly grey-brown, with a duller blue breast and short hackles. The Vulturine Guineafowl is a gregarious species, forming flocks outside the breeding season, typically of about 25 birds. This species' food is seeds and small invertebrates. This guineafowl is terrestrial and will run rather than fly when alarmed, despite the open habitat. It tends to keep to cover and roosts in trees. It makes loud chink dash chink dash chink dash chink dash chink calls. It breeds in dry and open habitats with scattered bushes and trees, such as savanna or grassland. It usually lays 4 to 8 cream-colored eggs in a well-hidden grass-lined scrape. The Vulturine Guineafowl are often referred to as the royal guineafowl because it tends to have the most striking appearance. They are named for their bald head and neck, which resembles a vulture. These birds are both monomorphic and monochromatic. This means that both sexes have a very similar form and coloration. In other words, it can be difficult to distinguish the sexes. Captive hens have produced up to 40 eggs in just one season, 3 clutches. The eggshells of this species are extremely thick and difficult to break. Chicks hatch by breaking out instead of chipping away at the shell. These birds are excellent runners and rarely fly, with exception of reaching nocturnal roosting perches. The chicks are well developed when they hatch, and can fly within a few days. These birds roost high in trees at night. Their calls, when disturbed or excited, can be heard over long distances. Nests may contain eggs from more than one hen, and they may share incubation duties. These birds can be quite aggressive towards one another, and have been known to fatally injure their own kind if competition for food or prime roosting areas comes into question. Even the chicks have been known to attack one another. Males tend to be very aggressive towards the hens most of the time. These birds can survive long periods without water, and tend to acquire the majority of their water requirements from the vegetation that they consume. These birds may suffer locally from hunting pressure. They have numerous predators such as raptors, monkeys, and several small mammals, which hunt the eggs and the chicks, and may even kill the adults.